Hi everybody, this is Shruti Bhatt, a craft blogger from Bangalore. I share fun art and craft ideas for kids and moms on my blog, artsycraftymom.com. Welcome here. Today I wanted to share some of the crafts that can be made using humble ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks or craft sticks. Now these come in a lot of variety of shapes. You get them in this thin variety. These can also be used as coffee stirrers. Then of course we have the normal lolly sticks or the ice cream sticks. This is a slightly wider version. Again, I have picked these up from some of the supermarkets in my local area. You don't need to go to a craft shop to buy these. These are really smooth and these are little wider ones. They also come in colored version, so you can pick them up in different colors, or if you have the plain ones, you buy a set of 100. You can use any paints like sketch pens, acrylic color, brush pens to paint on these. Okay, you can use black markers and all of that to do that. Okay, we also get for craft purposes extra long version like these. These are also available in paint shops to stir the paints, so you could pick those up, recycle those, or you get these extra long ones. I'll show you how we can put these to use. And of course we have our traditional ice cream stick or the spoon scoop that can also be used for crafting. Let me show you. I have set up my table with all the crafts. So you can see my table is all covered with different craft sticks craft that we have already done on the blog. There are video tutorials on the blog too. Let me just quickly show you one by one. This long stick, these long sticks can be used, and I've used them to make a dragonfly. Can you see this? I have used a craft stick, painted over it, and then some pipe cleaners and googly eyes, and you can turn this into a dragonfly. Then we used a simple craft stick like this, right? You can use a tissue paper with a rubber band, roll it over, add some glitter fairy wings, and then paint over some face and some pretty ballerina shoes, and you have your fairy ready. Craft stick fairy. Okay. Then you have these colored sticks, right? So I've used one of the colored sticks and turn that into a monster. So what I've done is add some dots, add some feathers, add some googly eyes, and draw some teeth, and you have a bookmark, right? So we have made this very hungry caterpillar craft. So what I've done is I have a craft stick at the back, stuck some buttons over it, cut out a piece of cardboard for the face, added some tentacles on the top and a googly eye, and then we have another caterpillar or a bookworm for you to be gifted. These are our traditional ice cream sticks. I have the colored one, but even if you have the white ones, if you've gone to an ice cream shop and you found it, you can pick those up, and we've used that to turn into a bat. Can you see this? Okay. This is better. A bat craft. Right, so we have cut the round part, just cut it out, use a sketch pen, and then paste a paper, draw some teeth, stick some googly eyes, and you have a tiny bat ready, right, for Halloween. The thinner ice cream sticks can be stuck together like this to create a nice ornament for your Christmas tree. I've painted them over and then stuck some sparkly sequins on it. Can you see this? Yeah, and then a small pipe cleaner on the top, or a wool, and you can hang it on your Christmas tree. You can also use your craft sticks and paint directly over it. I've used acrylic paint here for Easter to make an Easter bunny. Or if you like want to create props for a storytelling session like Christmas theme, what I've done is I've painted the stick in that particular color. I cut out some paper, some googly eyes, a Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, some pipe cleaners for its... Can you see this? Yeah. So the same way you can do a gingerbread man, you know, a naughty elf, right? Or even an angel. So here I've used cupcake liners. You can use normal paper, some gold pipe cleaners, right? All these are stuck directly onto a craft stick, so you can hide behind a screen and then create a story session. You can add any animal in the front. For example, we did the farm animal theme, so we have the sheep and the chick, which we have cut out. We've used some feathers here. This is just paper and some googly eyes stuck on top of a craft stick. Again, these are perfect for storytelling sessions, to have your own puppet show at home, right? We have some for St. Patrick's Day also. So any theme that you want, you can have that theme. St. Patrick's Day. So craft sticks are really versatile. Create bookmarks with them, build 3D structures with them, have a matching game, turn it into a puzzle. I'll try and share a few more ideas with you guys soon. But this is what I have already ready on the blog. So be sure to have a look, search for craft stick projects, and I hope you like my little projects that we did, right? Keep watching. Make sure you like our post, make sure you share it with your friends, follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, come visit the blog, you know, artsycraftymom.com. We have more than 1,500 ideas, craft ideas there for you and for your kids to do together, and be creative. That's it for now. Bye bye.